Hey guys, welcome to Rosie's Dessert Spot. Today we have a very simple cake. This is just a cake loaded with flowers, but I've loaded it in such a way that the top floral decor is almost taller than the cake. So you'd stack your cake as per usual. I've got my caramel mud cakes here from Coles, and I've stuck them together with buttercream. I'll be sure to leave the recipe for the buttercream in the description box below and in the eye icon up top. Stack 3 cakes together, or 4, however you like, and then create a crumb coat. This will be just a thin layer of frosting all around the cake to trap in the crumbs. Smooth it out with your frosting smoother and then bring that lip of frosting towards the middle. And pop your cake into the fridge for half an hour, 20 minutes to half an hour, just to set. In the meantime, I'm going to prepare my flowers. So I've cut them down so that the stem is still about 5 or so centimeters tall. Take some plastic wrap or food wrap and wrap the entire stem. You could then go a further step again and just feed it through a plastic straw once it's been covered by Glad wrap, just to make sure that you have extra coverage and it doesn't come in contact with the cake. For that final layer of frosting, I've tinted my buttercream teal with a little bit of gel food color. Starting at the top, making sure that it's nice and flat, and then working my way down the cake side all the way to the base. Smooth it out with your frosting scraper, and then fill in any spaces as you go. And then when you're happy with the finish, you can drag that top lip towards the middle of the cake. When you're done, pop your cake back into the fridge one more time for half an hour just to give it a good chance to set up. And then when you're ready, you can add a 4-inch on top of this as well. So we have 7-inch round cakes and then a 4-inch top that I'm just building directly in the center. You want to crumb coat this and then add a hefty amount of buttercream right on top. And the way that I'm going to smooth it out is on an angle. So we're basically trying to make a pyramid of buttercream. This is going to add so much height to our floral bouquet. You want to feed your stems through that buttercream up top and through the cake. And you will need a fair few amount of flowers. Try to go for larger flowers for this particular project, and it really adds that oomph factor for floral loading on the cake. Be sure to use your greenery as well. Never throw that out. That is so handy to add more body and height to your cake. And that's how it's done. I hope you guys enjoyed this little floral arrangement demonstration. If you do, give it a try. I'd love to see it. # Rosie's Dessert Spot so I can check it out. Thanks again. Feel free to subscribe if you'd like to see more cake decorating tutorials from yours truly. And we'll catch you in the next one.